Hello everyone, welcome back to SpatialWise. Today we are diving into an exciting ArcGIS exercise from SpatialWise, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to SpatialWise for more informative content on spatial technology and geoinformatics. Then let's get started. Today we will exploring the wonders of ArcCatalog, which is a crucial component within ArcGIS environment. I am really happy to guide you through this exercise step by steps. Again, follow this simple steps to launch ArcCatalog from your computer. First, click on Start, then navigate to ArcGIS folder. Under ArcGIS folder, in the first row, there is ArcCatalog 10.71 versions. Then click on ArcCatalog. As you open ArcCatalog, you will be greeted by the main menu. Here at the top, there is a main menu, which is File, Edit, View, Go, Geoprocessing, Customize and others, and the standard toolbars. The beauty of using ArcCatalog lays in its flexibilities. Then feel free to move toolbars from the interface around or dock them wherever you find the most convenient for you. Yes, as you see from the screen, it is possible or it is flexible to shift, to move, to customize different types of tools and toolbars in ArcCatalog interface. Actually, ArcCatalog serves two main important purposes. Firstly, it allows you to manage, access, and explore existing geographic data in ArcCatalog. Secondly, with ArcCatalog, you can alter the structure of your data, load existing data, and even modify attribute data. It is possible to modify the attribute data. Also, it is possible to edit and customize the geographic data. Let's dive to the exercise. To browse the data, we need to establish a connections, and the first step, in order to add or in order to browse the data, we need to make a folder connections. Right click on the folder connections, connect to folder. My folder is under local disk D. We need to navigate to our data locations. Then here is the GIS lab data. Click on GIS lab data simply. Okay, now our folder is connected. See, there is GIS lab data under local disk D. Then all data is available under exercise 1. Then now our folder is connected to the ArcCatalog window. Expand the trees to exercise 1. Now you are ready to explore your data. Mainly 3 data are available, which is 10. Click on exercise data. Under the content, all the data, the geographic data are displayed. Then if I wanted to see or preview its origins, simply click on its origins and right click on preview. The preview allows us to see the structure of our data. The content lists the types of the data which is stored in our directory, and the description helps us to see some metadata related with what? Metadata related with the data. For example, summary of the data, description of the data, credit, use limitations, extent, scale range, or thumbnail are reduced size versions of pictures or videos. You can simply create a thumbnail by following these simple steps. The first step, we need to select the item in the catalog window. For example, let's create for ETO Waradas. Then click the preview tab. Then click the create thumbnail button from the standard toolbar. Simply click on this one. Then go to the descriptions. Now we are successfully creating a thumbnail for ETO Waradas. Now let's get organized. Creating a folder in ArcCatalog is a breeze. Navigate to your desired locations. Right click and choose new folder. Rename and enter. Then refresh. Using the previous step, it is possible to create multiple folders in our ArcCatalog window. In any GIS project, copy pasting data is a fundamental skill. By following this simple procedure, it is possible to copy and paste data in ArcCatalog. Select all. Navigate through backup folder. Paste the copy data and monitor the progress. Well done. You have successfully explored ArcCatalog, created the folders, and managed your data. If you have found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to SpatialWise, and hit the notification bell to stay SpatialWise. Until the next time, happy mapping, bye bye.